Hello, have you ever wondered how birds sleep? Well, in this video we'll talk about how songbirds sleep. Songbirds are 50% of all known bird species. All birds can sing and perch, but songbirds have 4 long flexible toes, 3 pointing forward and 1 backward. All of the toes join the foot at the same level. And that's where we will get into how songbirds can sleep. Because those toes come in handy, so when they land, they immediately lock into position which allows them to perch on very thin things, even in strong, so they can eat, rest, and much more, which allows them to hang anywhere. Who knows, maybe even upside down. Hope you enjoyed. Bye.